This is a QT4-40 small electricity concrete block machine. In this machine, it is interlocking PVM bricks. In this machine, it is solid blocks. Let me show you around this machine. Now, let you see all the round of this machine. This is trolley. This is the G box. When you get this machine, you must add oil. This is the lifting motor. This is the head mode vibration motor. Those two orange color, it is two vibration motor for the platform. This is here, put a pallet. This is the head mode. This is the motor box. When you change mode, just dig out those bolts, then dig out this motor box and put new motor box, and then here dig out and then change head mode. We are finished. You see this hook, just like this. This handle, the hook will fall down. This is the arm. When brake head not same, you change those part length. This one, when block head confirm, okay, this part will come into this part. This switch, head mode, up and down, vibration, and vibration for head mode, vibration for the platform. This machine is simple. So we design very easy, so the price not high. So also durable, easy operation. It is the best choice for new starter. You buy one machine and different size and types, bricks and blocks modes is okay. Today you produce hollow block. Tomorrow you can change mode, produce solid block. Then the third day you can change mode to produce the PVM bricks.